Hey everybody, I'm Charles Falgu, founder of Proper Health, and yes, I'm the guy that is out there saying that health insurance sucks. I know many of you might be saying, well, tell me something I don't know. Um, and I know many of you might be thinking it's a premium issue, and certainly that is a big part of it, but it goes deeper than that. If I may, let me kind of just share with you. This is Humana. I also have it with United Health Group from 2000 to 2010. Their stock price was generally, they would take some winning years, they would lose some money. What a free market capitalist company generally would look like. But once Obamacare took into effect, it was passed in 2010. It was enacted in 2014. I mean, the stock price just shot up. And just on a special note another note, these insurance companies were telling us agents and brokers, hey, we're going to fight for the free market solution. We don't believe in a socialized healthcare system. But at the end of the day, they were lying to us. And, you know, they're beholden to their stockholders. And anytime you can get into bed with the government that prints their own money, that's usually a good play on the stock. And a lot of these guys, gals, are set for life. Their grandchildren are set for life. They've made millions and millions of dollars. But from 2014 to 16, 17, even 18, I didn't really complain a whole bunch. Yeah, I complained about the premium, but we were insuring 30 million more people, and it was just inevitable that the cost of healthcare was going to go up. But I think what got me the most is that in 2019, late 2019, as y'all are well aware of, COVID hit. Society was telling us about this pandemic, that the hospitals were full, that the clinics were full. And so you would think, just as an ordinary citizen, that in 2019 and 20, stock for insurance companies would just take a dive, that they would be losing millions of dollars. And that ended up not being the case. If you look at their stock chart, I mean, they kept on making more and more money. And what's irritating is they were writing my small business clients letters telling them that they were not a bank and that they had to maintain the premium payments in order to keep their employees covered. And a lot of small business owners took on a lot of debt, both business loans and personal loans, to keep their employees covered. And instead of coming back to them in 2020 and in 2021 and saying, hey, we made a lot of money, so we're going to decrease your premium, they didn't. They gave my clients an additional double-digit increase year after year. And so I just want to point this out to you and say, look, guys, small business owners, this is not a partner that you want. They're not looking out for you. Here is the United Healthcare right here. So it's really kind of the same picture. So they keep on making more and more money, and yet they're driving a lot of small businesses out of business with these premium increases. Now, many of you might be saying, well, that's, where's an alternative plan? And I'm here to tell you there is an alternative. I started the Proper Health Plan approach. It's something that I personally did for my family starting in 2016. It was the smartest financial decision that I've made. Today, I don't worry about health care, and I would love to introduce this to you. I would only ask to, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos on our product and our services and how you can beat the health insurance, the traditional health insurance market. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope to talk to you sometime.